I'm sure you may have heard about ChatGPT, chatbot system, GitHub Copilot, and many of the people are also telling about that this is the end of programmers. So, is this really a case? So, what's the actual scene? The softwares like ChatGPT, chatbot system, GitHub Copilot are really advanced technology. And at one point they will replace developers too. But currently these softwares are developing, they are evolving and has bugs too. And at the end of the day, they are a piece of code and they are not as smart as humans. In order to make you understand this very clearly, let me tell you the algorithm behind these softwares. Initially, when a programmer makes an app, he uses lots of codes. Some softwares like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot stores, saves, and reuses the data and codes used by a programmer, which he used for making his app initially. So, this was the algorithm behind these softwares, and it will take a lot of time to improve and get perfect. And also, the reason behind making the software was to help programmers and not to replace them. These softwares can replace the assistant programmers or the person who does copy paste work, but not the skilled ones. So, need not to worry. That was it. Thanks for watching.